Hey there guys, it's Dave Joshi again with a video tutorial in Java programming language. So it's been a decade since I now made tutorials on YouTube. It was really required for me to take a break from this kind of life, all this programming, and I wasn't doing anything productive in those days, but I'm back. Okay, so we are starting YouTube again. So today we're gonna learn about thread deadlock in Java, and let's start. So instead of telling you what actually deadlock is, what I'm doing is I'm creating a program which demonstrates thread deadlock, and we just want to check it out that what actually deadlock means. Okay, so here we have our four classes: synchronized void look, okay, display. Oh, that's cool. Here we are writing system.out.println inside the look method. Okay, now try thread dot current thread dot sleep, okay, for around 1000 milliseconds. Okay, where is it actually? I'm so sorry. 1000 milliseconds, right? Now trying to call the display method. Okay, so b dot display, that's cool. Now system.out.println exiting the look method. Okay, so this is really simple. Now we are going inside the display method, the same stuff. Inside the display method, please don't check those spelling errors. I know English, but I don't know those spellings. Okay, that's cool. So we just forgot the catch block right here. Okay, that's cool. Okay, system.out.println caught plus e. Okay, trying to call display. Look method. A dot look. Okay, system.out.println exiting the display method. Okay, that's cool. Now here, both this class implements the runnable interface. Okay, so they need the public void run method. We need to override the run method, and what we're actually doing is calling the look method of a class. Now this implements again the runnable interface. What we are doing is public void run b dot display. Okay, that's cool. Here we have the objects of this or we can say instance of runnable interface in the form of class. Thread t1 equal to new thread. Sorry for that. Okay, it takes C as a target. Thread t2 equal to new thread. It takes D as a target. Now t1 dot start and t2 dot start. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, my class to Java, that's cool. Okay, inside the look method, unresolved compilation error, exception cannot be resolved to a type at, where is it actually, exception E. Okay, we have the wrong spelling right here, and actually the same mistake happened here. No, it's not. Okay, that's cool. Inside the look method, inside the display method. Okay, trying to call look, trying to call the display, but they didn't print the exiting. They didn't print exiting the look and exiting the display. So this is what deadlock actually is. Here you can see that we have the synchronized blocks, synchronized method. So it actually means that only one thread can access these methods at a single time. Okay, so what actually happens right here is when the first thread T1 enters here, T1 is inside the look method, T1 sleeps for a while, trying to call the display at the same time T2 is inside the display method. It sleeps for the time and trying to call the look method. Okay. Now as T2 is already inside the display method, then T1 tries to call the display method, but it can't call because it is actually synchronized and T2 is inside this method, display method. Okay, so it can't call. Now T2 is trying to call, so this thread stops right here. Okay, exiting the look method. So exiting the look method is not printed by T1 thread. Now the same case happens right here. When T2 prints these statements, it now tries to call a.look method and T1 is inside the look method. It's running the look method. So T2 also stops right here and it also can't print exiting the display method. So it's really simple. Deadlock means this kind of co-curricular synchronized some kind of error, or you can say, you can't simply say it's an error, but it's type of an error. Okay, so if you ever try to make a multi-threaded programming and you ever encountered with some kind of complex things like this happening, so first of all you want to check about the thread deadlocks. Okay, so it's really simple. Thread deadlock is, so this is all about today's tutorial. Hope you like it and please don't forget to subscribe. So thank you and a nice day.